So I was called to copy this ECU data down. So the client brought it to me to copy the data down so that when he brings the new ECU, I'll be able to clone it. So one feature I like about MULTI-PROG now is you have the ability to connect to the ECU before you can read or write on the ECU. So now if you can see, I'm connecting to it so that anytime you are reading, it doesn't pass through that long process of connecting it before it will start reading, and after reading it has to disconnect it. But now you have the opportunity, or you have the chance to connect it. Then after connecting it, you read or you write the data you want into it. So it is this for Kia. So it is MEG17.9.12, and this same ECU goes for most of Hyundai vehicles. But when you use OBD Star has emo off in it, but with this you will not get emo off unless you know the sector that you have to delete the emo off in it, or you have a script that can do that. So now I'm reading the data and it was able to read it. So let me finish reading the data. You can see how quickly it read the data. And also after reading, I'm reading internal EEPROM. After reading it, I have to save it and add something to it that always I'll remember who the file belongs to. So after saving it, then I'll go and read the flash so that that will make it way easier. Anytime the control board is in, or anytime that the client is having issue with the control board, we will not have problem with the flash or with the EEPROM, because we have that data down already. So we just read and we just write the data onto the new one. So with this one, I'm reading the flash, and although I've forwarded it, you can see I'm rereading the flash to verify that my flash that I read was correct. So I'll wait for it to finish reading, or maybe I'll bring you guys back in the middle when it is almost done. So if you can see, it's reading and I'll wait. Yeah, I really like the way MULTI-PROG is improving their software and adding more features and more things to it. So now it is done reading successfully. So at this point, it is not going to disconnect the ECU. So anytime you are using the connect and disconnect features in the MULTI-PROG, you have to make sure that whenever you are done reading the ECU, you have to disconnect it from the system. And I'm hoping they start selling scripts for their MULTI-PROG. So I've seen on YouTube that other people are able to write scripts to do emo off, and even to the extent that they use it to program the vehicles to write emo off, airbag, crash delete, and other things. I'm hoping I'll have time to learn a little bit, or with the help of AI, learn how I can make my own script. But when you are doing your script, you need to know where the binary address is for you to do the editing and the other things. It will take time, or it will take a bit time for you to get to that point. So for this, what I'll do is I'll wait for it. So now it is done reading the file. I'm going to save it, and you can see it took 1 minute 34 seconds to and 979 milliseconds for it to read the ECU data. So with this, I'll save it so that in case the client brings the control board to me, I'll be able to rewrite it, or in case he's having any problem for that particular vehicle, because I have the EEPROM and the flash, I'll be able to write it for the client so that he just be plug and play. So I'm done with the reading, and now I have disconnected it. Sorry, I've not disconnected it yet, because I need to click on the disconnect after going through the files. I need to click on the disconnect so that it disconnects. Anytime it disconnects, you see the read and the write and the power settings will be gray. That tells you that it has been disconnected. So I'm now disconnecting it so that I'll be able to remove all the pins from the ECU. All the pins from the ECU, then I know that I'm almost done. I'm 100% done. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. So with this one, I'm done reading the data.